This topic delves into the field of nutrigenomics, which explores the interaction between your genes, diet, and overall health. Nutrigenomics investigates how individual genetic variations can influence responses to different nutrients and dietary patterns. It opens up discussions on personalized nutrition, understanding how certain foods may impact individuals differently based on their genetic makeup. Discuss how genetic differences can affect nutrient metabolism, absorption, and utilization in the body. Explore the concept of tailoring diets to an individual's genetic profile, considering factors like nutrient needs, intolerances, and sensitivities. Highlight how nutrigenomics research contributes to understanding the role of genetics in preventing and managing chronic diseases through dietary interventions. Discuss how personalized nutritional recommendations based on genetic information can optimize health outcomes. Address the challenges and ethical considerations associated with implementing nutrigenomics in dietary advice and public health. This topic is at the intersection of cutting-edge science, personalized health, and the future of nutrition. It can engage audiences interested in staying informed about the latest advancements in the field of nutrition.